How the Elephant Lost His Wings. Hook. Yes, there was a time when elephants ruled both land and sky. Story. Elephant loved to soar above the clouds, but pride crept into his heart. "Look how small everyone is," he mocked. The Sky Spirit warned him. Greatness without humility cannot last. Elephant ignored the warning and challenged the storm itself. Lightning struck, his wings burned to ash, and he crashed into the earth, shaking it forever. That is why elephants remain grounded, to remember that humility keeps us lifted. Moral: pride goes before a fall.